Hello everybody, today we'll be doing the unboxing of Flipkart SmartBuy D68AV dual screen action camera that supports 4K video recording. I recently purchased this product and let me quickly unbox so that we can see the actual product within this casing. I've taken out the actual product from the outside package, and because this product is from Flipkart's sub brand called SmartBuy, this is the packaging which we get. It's a neat packaging, and for those unfamiliar, so Flipkart has its own sub brand called SmartBuy, which sells really competitive products at a very good price. And this was the main reason I went for this product. I was on the market for a good 4K supporting action camera with dual screen, and this became the obvious choice the moment I could see the competition and all the products which were on offering. So this is the outer packaging. Let me just open this as well. I've taken out all the sellotapes and let me open this box. So this is what we get up front. We have this user manual all about the action camera and how to use it. So that's the actual model number, D68VA action camera with the dual screen. So we have a front screen as well to see our video recording preview, as well as the back screen for all the details. So a good user manual. I'll just keep it aside for the moment. And then we have the action camera itself. Let me just take it out ever so gently. So we can see the action camera is already inside the waterproof casing. And that's one good thing about all these action cameras. They have a very good set of accessories, within the package itself. So the user need not go around and purchase the accessories separately. So this is how the product looks like inside the casing. I'll take it out from the casing, but let me just give you a brief overview. So this is how the product looks like. It's very lightweight, and it's inside the waterproof casing. So this attachment is which gets holded to the base or the place where we want to attach it. That can be a handheld, or this can be used as a stationary camera. And we have the main screen on the back end side. This is a touch screen, so we can control all the functions of camera using the touch buttons. However, we do have physical buttons on top and on the sides to activate the front screen as well, and this is where things get very interesting. So this mini screen can help us see a small preview of the video being recorded. So this is a very good feature in my opinion, and especially useful when doing video logging. And this is the main camera itself. So this is a SONY IMX386 CMOS sensor, which supports 170-degree wide view for video recording, and it also comes with 6 Axis Gyro and EIS, that is electronic image stabilization. The camera is 16 megapixel effective, and I'll post rest of the product details in the description below. So let me keep it aside for some time and we'll check out what is in this box. So this must be the rest of the accessories. Let me just open it like this. So first thing, we have the carrying pouch. This is a good quality carrying pouch, and it's, by the nature of it, it looks quite sturdy. It must be from the synthetic cloth for being water resistant as well. So this is a nifty thing. Then we have the mounting stands, and we'll have quite a many of those mounting stands. This must be the charging cable, USB standard mini USB to USB-A power cable for data transfer as well as for charging. And then again we have lots and lots of different mounting stands. Let me just place them all for quick reference here. all the products. Again, the function of each and every stand is beyond the scope of this video. So let me just quickly put everything outside. And these are the straps for fixing the action camera in place. We have the wiping cloth here, a few sticky pads here, and this must be for ground, in my opinion. Again, lots of attachments we have, and yeah, the function of each one of them will be beyond the scope of this video, and I doubt I would be using all of them actually. So that's what we get from the package, the action camera as well as all the attachments. Let me take out the camera from the casing. So this is the camera inside the casing, and the way to open this casing is you put your fingers here and you pull it out like a tab and then swirl it, and there we go. I'm really impressed with the the sturdiness of this thing. It's quite I would say hard to take out the camera. Finally got it opened. It was quite sturdy to open. So this is how the back screen looks. Guys, let me just take out the camera now, and I'm really amazed how lightweight this is. It's actually very featherweight, and like I said, so this is the front screen. We have still the protective film over the front screen and the lens. As you can see, it's mentioned real 4K with Wi-Fi support for image transfer as well as remote camera control. It also comes with EIS, and we have the Flipkart branding here. And let me just keep it here for a while. On the side, we have the button as well as the control key downwards. And on this side, we have the USB ports and the micro SD slot here. So you don't have much internal memory as far as I know on this one. So we'll be requiring a minimum class 10 memory card. And this must be for the, let me say, HD out, and this is for the power USB. And below we have the point where the mounting can be done on this product. This is the case for battery. So the inside battery is around 900 mAh, which is good for an hour or two at the highest resolution. And on top we have the power on as well as the OK button with the LED light. So I'll be charging this product first before the first usage. So I'll be making a separate video where I'll give a quick demo through all the controls. Also in that video, I'll try to post some video samples as well. That's all for this video. Guys, if you have any question about this action camera, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer it. I'll attach all the product links as well as the product details in the description. Thank you guys. Take care and be safe.